Hey guys, welcome to MacTech. Today we'll be learning how to send a Starbucks gift card from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a Starbucks gift card from PayPal, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome over here, and after opening your browser guys, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the address paypal.com, give a backslash and type in gifts over here like this. Make sure the address is correct over here and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the gift cards page of PayPal, where you can see this is the home page and there is the Starbucks gift card. But guys, we'll be just clicking on the cards. If it was not there, we will be required to go to the card section and search for it through over here by typing the name or going through or scrolling down through these. And with that being said guys, let's click on the Starbucks gift card over here. And in order to proceed from over here guys, you can see there is the net amount of the gift card which you want to send to the person. And after choosing the net amount, enter the email address over here, whichever may it be. And after entering their email address to where you are sending the gift card, make sure the current email address is that they are the current one using. And with that being said, after entering their email, enter your name over here. It's the name of the sender, and of that enter a personal message over here, whichever may it be. And you can also schedule and you can also schedule it from over here. You can see this is the calendar through which you will be able to schedule it. And after that, click on the add to cart button over here, and when this blue panel appears guys at the top right corner of the screen on the cart button, you can see there is the one item pending available for us. Click on there, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your Starbucks gift card and your total net amount, and with some details over here and their terms and conditions. And after going through all of these details, click on the buy now button over here, and then you'll be redirected to the login panel of PayPal gift cards. So enter your email address of your PayPal account over here, whichever may it be, and proceed through the login and make the payment from your PayPal account, and then that gift card will be sent to the person whom you had sent it. And with that being said guys, this is how to send a Starbucks gift card from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.